Hi again, I'm Ariel.
And I'm Erica.
And we're the Burger Bosses. And now we'll be showing you how to make our salted caramel milkshake. We have 4 scoops of vanilla ice cream here.
And first we're gonna add the caramel sauce.
Also made by Ghirardelli. And then milk. And the most important ingredient
Is the salt.
So ready to go.
We're gonna swirl the cup with some caramel sauce.
And in goes the shake. Dollop of whipped cream on top.
And a little bit more caramel sauce. And shake a little bit extra salt on top.
And it's ready. Should we get a drink?
I was gonna do that.